All right, so today we're going to be getting a little bit of POV action in the GXP, as you can see it there. Right there. Alright guys, so do a little POV drive here in the snow in the GXP. I cannot really get the seating position right with this GoPro on my head because you see too much of this, but this is kind of the best I can get it, so it'll have to do. But I had to scoot my seat back and lower it so I look a little goofy, but yeah, let's get on with it and plug the fuzzbuster in.
System ready.
Alright, let's go. It's kind of weird sitting this far back, I'll tell you that. Let's scoot up just a little bit. But I'm just going to do a little POV drive here on the way to Starbucks and Best Buy. I really hope this is alright. I mean, I know you see a lot of this, but I can't really get it to where you can't see that, just the way the, I don't know, the way the car is, the way I am. But the car's already warmed up. I've been driving it around. I just came back and grabbed my GoPro, so you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's already warm. And yeah. I get a lot of comments saying that, because I say the GXP is a good car to drive in the snow, and I've had like several comments saying it's a terrible car to drive in the snow. Personal preference, I guess, but like I guess it depends on your wheels too, or your tires. And I got all season tires on here, so I'm pretty much good to go. But yeah, I don't understand why people say it's a bad winter vehicle. I mean, I'm in one of the worst winters like you can get. I'm in Minnesota, and yeah, we usually have more snow than this. It's kind of melting. They're salting the roads and stuff like that. But I mean, we usually have some of the worst winters you can get in the States, and I don't know. I do just fine. I've never been in a crash in the winter with this vehicle. I've never had issues with it starting. I've never had anything like that. It's great. I don't know, it's got plenty of power. I always turn, well, I didn't do it now, but I always turn traction control off in the winter, believe it or not, just because it gives me more power. Because otherwise, like, if you're in snow and you have traction control on and you're trying not to be stuck, well, traction control, it limits your power that you can use, like it cuts you out. So that's why I like having traction control off, so I can give it all the power I need when I need to get out of snow. Which, this car can plow through snow. Check out GP Vlog's video of him getting out of a foot of snow. Still accelerates all right. There's definitely slipping, but it accelerates all right. And I'm sorry about the bounciness. The roads are pretty bad right now, and my struts are terrible. So the ride's not gonna be very good, but whatever. Find some roads up here where we can open it up a little bit and see how she accelerates in the slush. Now you always got to be careful driving in this stuff. There's a nice caddy. Always got to be careful driving in this stuff. Obviously it's slush, which is slippery, which means car crashes. And hey, we got a Charger behind me and a Charger right there. That's pretty cool. Pretty sure the one behind me is the RT though. This one's just a V6, I think. But Yeah, so you got to be careful, but I mean, the car, my experience, I've had it, this is my second winter with it, and I absolutely love it. I mean, no issues, no complaints. And I do have a suction cup mount I'm going to be sticking up here to my windshield so we can do car vlogs now to talk about stuff, you know, to talk about what's coming for the channel, car mods, story videos. I'm kind of I'm gonna get into car stories, you know, like past like experiences and stuff. That's a popular video to do in the car community, and I like it a lot. So I definitely have some stories to share. So I'm definitely gonna do car stories, and that'll be coming really soon. Like for just like boring days, or if I'm going on a drive, I can film. And yeah, just pretty fun stuff's coming. I'm working on getting the money for the Canon T6i for my next camera, so I can actually make quality videos, and then I get some mounts for that for in the car and stuff like that, and that'll just change the game of the quality. I'm getting really close to getting my new car, which will really help the channel out, guys. That's for dang sure. Obviously people want to see a cool car. Obviously, you know, my following is for this car. Now I'm not getting rid of it. That means this car just wouldn't be my daily driver anymore. It'd be more so my build project car, as the next vehicle I get will be my daily, because it will be pretty expensive, and it's just gonna be the vehicle I want to drive every day. And this one I can more so focus on, you know, rebuilding the transmission, you know, getting it ready for power, you know, getting it ready for the car tuning turbo kit and all that good stuff, because it's all coming for it. So, and you know, the more this channel grows, the better, or the quicker I'll be able to get parts too, so that's cool. But I'll show you guys, if I tried to hit it right now, I would just spin. Yeah, it sounds awesome, but I just spin, and no power when it's slushy like this in the low gears, because you'll just spin. Even in second gear, let's try second. Yeah, a little more traction, but still nothing really. I still just spin. Still just spin. Oh, so for the first time ever, I actually drifted this car 2 days ago when it was snowing, and when we got this first snowfall initially, me and my girlfriend were hauling around a corner. It was a back road, just wide open corner, and I was hauling, and I didn't know front wheel drives could slip out. Well, I slipped out and I completely drifted around an entire turn like this. I just drifted it, and I was going like 20 miles an hour. So it was pretty fun. And my girlfriend kind of panicked, and I was like, no, I got this, and I just drifted. It was so fun. Sounds awesome. Just spin. But no, I mean, I'm gonna roll the windows back up. So yeah, you're gonna spin, but the car is good in the winter. Like, people saying it sucks, they must have one that's not like prepared or set up for the winter, if that makes any sense. Well, I guess they're all seasons, but they're Firestone Firehawk wide ovals, so they're beefy. The tread's like that tall. They look like mud tires for a car almost. And I've had them on it this is the second winter with these same tires, and they're awesome. You know, I get great traction. I don't really slip and slide around unless I gun it, you know. So maybe people just have to look at different tires, like get some Blizzaks, or you know, these Firestone Firehawk wide ovals are great, but I don't know. I'm getting my new rims here, and I was going with 20x10, but it looks like the best fit and the best look for this car, I think, are going to be a 19x9.5. So I'm going to be going with a 19x9.5. Same rims, just that size versus the 20x10. And I think it's going to look really good. It's still one size bigger, and it's definitely going to be wider. It's going to be flush with the fenders, pretty much. They launch a Sport. That's pretty cool. I've test drove one of those. They're pretty sweet. They're not very fast, but they're fun. They sound cool. and they have a very nice interior. That's what I liked about it a lot. You know, I'm a big guy for interior. So yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do another POV like this, talking about whatever. Like, drop a comment. What should I talk about? And I'll try to find a better seating position than this, because I know you guys are seeing a lot of this. And I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to, like, you guys see me moving around. I'm trying to, like, kind of squat down, but I'm already kind of uncomfortable. But yeah, so the next one, I'm thinking I could talk about why I want to get the car I want for my next car. And I want to talk about why I want to get that car and why I think it's a good fit for me. And when it'll be coming, because it'll be coming within like 5 months. So June 6th, actually, to be exact. And why June 6th? Because that's when some things will fall off my credit. Well, they'll fall off about a month and a half before that, 2 months before that, actually. And that's when my credit should be really good to go, you know, to get a decent interest rate. Because it would just be a high interest rate right now, because I'm still young. I've had 2 car loans, but the first one I only had for 6 months. And I've had this one for 2 years, but I had a couple hiccups on my credit, which now are about to fall off my credit. And that's why I'm waiting till then. Better credit. We're gonna finish up this POV here, just driving around a little bit more, and yeah, I'll try not to talk, I'll just drive, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try and get this seating position better. Well guys, so this is probably just gonna do it for the POV. I didn't want to do too long of a video and bore you guys, just kind of showing what I see. And yeah, it's probably gonna, that's just gonna do it. Let me know if you want me to do that talking, or I guess I can explain why I want to get what I'm getting on June 6th. And yes, I'll vlog the whole experience with my new camera, because it'll come way before then. It's gonna be a sweet video, a sweet car, a lot of stuff to come to that car and this car.